Aha.
Here is winter storm warning information for the following areas in Maine, York, and the following areas in New Hampshire, Belknap, Merrimack, Southern Carroll, Southern Grafton, Stratford, and Sullivan. What? Heavy snow and sleet expected. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 9 inches and sleet accumulations up to 1/10 of an inch. Where? Portions of southwest Maine. Portions of central and northern New Hampshire. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Thursday. Impacts. Periods of moderate and heavy snow will combine with low visibility to create dangerous driving conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Thursday morning and evening commutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by going to newengland511.org. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southwest New Hampshire and north central Massachusetts, south to State Route 2, including Manchester, Nashua, and Keene. Tonight, snow. Freezing rain with a chance of rain until midnight, then sleet with a chance of freezing rain after midnight. Patchy fog. Snow and sleet accumulation of 2 to 4 inches. Ice accumulation of up to 1/10 of an inch.
I didn't think they were going to tone that.
Light and variable winds becoming east around 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of precipitation near 1%. Cloudy. With possible snow and freezing rain.